Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the best tools on the market. Today, we're talking about the Hilti DX 20.27 caliber semi-automatic powder-actuated fastening tool. A powerful tool that has earned a reputation for its precision and reliability. If you're working in construction or any field that requires fastening into concrete or steel, this tool is an essential addition to your kit. The Hilti DX2 is a semi-automatic powder-actuated tool designed for professionals who need speed and accuracy. It's powered by gas, making it incredibly efficient and effective, allowing for rapid and reliable fastenings. With its 0.27 caliber, it can drive nails into concrete, steel, and other tough surfaces with ease. Whether you're fastening metal studs, brackets, or other heavy-duty items, the Hilti DX2 gets the job done with minimal effort. One of the standout features of the DX2 is its ergonomic design. The tool is lightweight, making it easy to handle for long periods of time without fatigue. The grip is comfortable, providing you with full control during operation, which is key when you need precision. It's built with durability in mind, constructed to withstand tough work conditions on any job site. It comes equipped with a variety of accessories, including brushes and a spares pack, ensuring you're fully prepared for extended use. For safety, the tool includes a mechanism that prevents accidental discharge, which is critical when dealing with power tools that use explosive charges. This added feature ensures you're always working safely, which is crucial in any high-risk environment. The Hilti DX2 isn't just about power, it's also about convenience. It's designed to make your work faster and more efficient. It's a tool that can be used for a wide variety of applications, including construction, renovations, and even industrial work. This versatility is one of the reasons it's so highly rated among professionals. In terms of maintenance, the Hilti DX2 is straightforward. The inclusion of a brush and the easy-to-access parts make cleaning and servicing the tool hassle-free. Whether you're working on large-scale projects or small tasks, the ease of maintenance ensures that your tool stays in top condition. In conclusion, the Hilti DX2 0.27 caliber semi-automatic powder-actuated fastening tool is a must-have for anyone who values efficiency, precision, and safety in their work. It's reliable, durable, and makes even the toughest tasks feel manageable. If you're looking for a tool that can handle heavy-duty fastening jobs, the Hilti DX2 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of the best tools on the market.